Moving to or within Frederick, Maryland? Looking for reliable full-service movers near you? In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about hiring full-service movers in Frederick, from what's included to pricing and tips to make your move smooth and stress-free. A full-service move means your movers handle it all: packing, loading, transport, unloading, unpacking, even furniture disassembly and reassembly. It's a fully customized moving experience tailored to your needs, whether you're relocating for work, school, or family. Here are the top benefits of hiring full-service movers. Complete convenience. You don't have to lift a finger. We pack, load, move, unload, and unpack your belongings. Safety and care. Professional packing means less risk of damaged items. Save time and avoid stress. No weeks of packing. Our team does it quickly and efficiently. Avoid injuries. We do all the heavy lifting so you stay safe. On the downside, full-service moves can cost more and might take longer than basic moves, but the peace of mind and time saved is worth it for many people. Typical full-service offerings need help with anything on this list? Frederick's full-service movers got you covered. Cost depends on several factors. The best way to get an accurate estimate is a home-based quote. A moving consultant visits your home, inventories everything, and gives you a precise price. Full-service moves typically take longer than DIY moves because of the extra packing and unpacking services. Local moves usually finish in a day or two, while long-distance moves might take several days or weeks. Professional movers pack and unpack faster than you can on your own, so overall, you save time and avoid the hassle. To avoid scams and bad experiences, here's what to consider. Research and verify the company's license and insurance. Read online reviews from real customers. Confirm exactly what services are included in your quote. Ask about any hidden fees up front. A trustworthy, full-service moving company will be transparent and helpful. If you're looking for dependable full-service movers in Frederick, Maryland, call us today and book your move. Let our professional team handle everything so you can focus on what really matters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have questions about moving in Frederick. Safe moving.